Hey guys, hi. So today we're gonna be playing Tower of Hell. Okay, let's go. God, I hate the sound. Dude. Don't mind my copies. I swear to God, if I fall. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my God. Bro, slay. How am I doing this? Well, the time's already gonna end, so like, whatever. Whatever. Oh, okay. Alright. I keep falling, it's so annoying. Oh shoot. Sorry guys, I'm sick. Bless myself. I cannot seem to do this, like, level. I keep coughing, so don't mind that. Which way do I go? What way? This is so annoying. Duna. Let's go this way. That way's bad luck. Dude, Maddie isn't the best. No. Who the hell says Maddie's the best? Sarah's the best. Okay, I'm going crazy. Bye.